Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh, this is cool.
So those are campers.
I don't know where the hell they are. Yeah. I don't even know.
Wrong group.
My wife is like the slowest one. I got a broken foot.
Gloria's slow too, yeah.
And you're throwing me down.
Oh my god.
This is pretty neat.
Yeah.
There must be a lake or something here they fish at.
Yeah, I want to go fishing down
Do you? Yeah.
here. Yeah. We have 2 rods. We got
We do. We have rods at the house,
pretty
yeah.
decent rods, honestly.
Probably good fishing in even the lake by the hotel. I see a bunch of people.
I'm sure, but I don't know if you're allowed.
No, well.
Oh yeah, we
they
don't.
take the
We,
boat,
I'm saying without paying. Like,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I
Oh,
throw
yeah,
a rod,
no.
I go, oh my god. Yeah. Like I don't think I can bring a rod and just throw the line in there. Yeah.
no.
do you want to build a snowman? I saw it.
I almost got taken out.
Yeah, that truck.
He wasn't buttoned either. Oh, there you go.
Merry Christmas.
Kind of the new thing that's collectible is these little, they're hidden boxes. You don't know what's inside,
Oh,
but they're sneakers. Mini, tiny little sneakers. About
Really?
inch long. So I got the granddaughters, a couple of them.
oh.
But they're all, look at these guys moving. Wow. This is pretty deep.
Isn't it? It's frosty.
It's just a different world down here, you know?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Droid. Where's Pat's droid? Oh,
Is
he
it?
didn't show you the droid before. Hadn't made it or whatever they did.
I hear clip clopping horse. Let me get the horse again. Let me get the horsey again. Merry Christmas. Whoops. Watch out for the truck.
Papayas in our neighborhood, but there'll be some people that really do it up.
Yeah,
Put our lights on it.
yeah.
And then the other people don't do nothing. So, but it used to be everybody.
Yeah.
Well, the same way Halloween. You never know if someone's coming or nobody's coming.
Yeah.
I give them credit for doing all this stuff.
Oh yeah. Then they do it for Halloween also.
Oh, I bet.
Who's texting me?
This is some operation here.
Happy birthday, Parker.
But even these blow-up things, a lot of these I've never seen
Yeah.
by us or anything, you know. All unique stuff. This guy's singing. Like this guy, you either put a couple more lights out.
Yeah, he's a little weak there. Stitch. Oh, here's a horsey again, another one.
Oh boy. Don't get run over by a horse, Mike. They'll sing a song about you.
Mikey got run over by a reindeer.
By a horse. Yeah. Everybody's out there. I just got a text yesterday.
Well, I feel like
Everybody's out.
I feel like people forgot that like winter, you know, people just,
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
people just get sick.
Yeah.
It's not COVID, you just get
Yeah.
sick. Cold.
And like I was telling your father, like, I watch my Derek's daughter.
Oh, this is
One
funny.
daughter, 2 days with her. And the rest of the days they go to daycare. And they get friggin' everything. Everybody just shoved their kid in daycare.
Yeah.
Whether you got the only rule they see here for a week.
Donald doesn't look happy.
Committed for the whole freaking next 5 years. I'll put condos here because
Yeah.
everything is condo around it, you know. And like the condos are not hard to go. Like a lot of these condos, or 50.
I've driven like 2 hours to go play.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so like,
I played,
it all depends the traffic, but I go in early to get set up,
Yeah.
so it's not bad.
Yeah. No, it was fine getting there.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, I played Hamilton Farm.
But
Yeah.
a lot of our stuff is the PBA helps us.
Yeah.
You know.
I saw their sign on like every
Yeah.
hole. Yeah.
Well, here's how that works. We give them 10 grand,
Mm-hmm.
they give us a 10 grand back.
Yeah.
But all their local PBAs give us money too, so.
Hackenack member guest. Same thing. It's like whoever pays first gets in.
Yeah.
They have, you know, X amount of holes. That was a good one.
Now that's right, the one in Packneck, right?
Yeah.
I tell you what, I played once last year maybe,
Mhm.
or the year before with Kishri.
We could get tea time every Saturday and Sunday, whatever we want, like 9 a.m.
Jesus Christ. This goddamn.
So I played there a lot just because all the public courses around us are getting so booked so fast.
And there's a lot of money to pay. So.
Yeah. So
Even the county is not cheap anymore.
no. Like, all right, fine. I take the bucket, I put the bag in, start walking around. I'm like, all right,
And I don't even have any ice in my cooler.
I was like, wrong way. Yeah, I know, I looked. I was like, all right, wrong way. Go the other way. I'm like, all right, there's nothing here.
No, it's like, come on, give me a break. Yeah, it was a little issue in the beginning when we first got there because, you know how to. Right? These are like unique blow-ups. I
Yeah?
haven't seen any of this stuff around. Oh, and this guy's got puppies.
Oops.
I guess everyone's probably out. We got a park or something. I
Yes.
haven't seen anyone like.
No. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Rock stars.
Comfort station.
Na, 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 na. You got vacancy.
I see.
Right there. Much more call it that. Will Farrell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bumbles.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything feels different.
Palm fresh. Wow. Got a lot of lights.
They must have just gotten home or something and turned them on because
Maybe.
What, Mom?
They're home.
Yes. Yes.